Greetings once again from East Texas. Today we're in Kilgore and we're going to check out another rare car wash. Right here at the Chevron. It's just called the Touchless Car Wash on Google. So it's like North Street and like US 259. Better go this way. DNS QuickSilver. Here is the machine.
Sorry, the car wash is currently out of service. Please come again.
Oh, rip. Guess I'll try that another time. Out of service. Well, there are your wash options. I don't know why there's a separate works and a works for trucks, because the works says dryer. Maybe that's why, I don't know. Yeah, I will have to come back to this place another time. Oh, rip. Don't have a backup plan for today, but oh well. Alright, well, I will definitely be coming back. Alright, so now we're in Mineola. Yep, just as I suspected, the QuickSilver is out of order. So, that makes... So yeah, just like Kilgore, that one's out of order. Shame, I really wanted to film one of those. I'm just shut up. So I gotta find a spot to turn around now. Alright, so see y'all in Terrell. Another past the place. This is the Highway 80 car wash. Yeah, that's been out since the last time Google went through there. It was